Hello, welcome back to Mark's Garden UK at Rose Cottage near Nantwich in Cheshire, where I'm clutching a tray of empty pots and a pizza cutter. And there's a reason why I'm holding this, because I want to give you an update on a project which had started exactly 6 months ago. And if you've been watching my videos, you'll know that I decided to have a go at seeing if I could make some money out of my garden, and I decided what I'd try and do was propagate some plants. And one of the plants I decided to propagate was Mind Your Own Business, or Paddy's Wig, or Baby's Tears. It's got 12 different names. I'll list them in the box below this video. And what I did, my approach was to take a piece up out of the ground where it was growing, and the piece I took up was about this big. And I'll put a link to the original video at the end of this one so you can watch it. And I'll show you the thumbnail just here so that you can see what it looks like. But the piece I cut up was about the size of 2 pots. These are the original pots that I bought them in. I bought 20 plants and I spent about £50. Quite expensive. So I thought, well, if that's how much I've paid for them, let me see if I can propagate them. And then I can possibly sell them. Now, I do need a license to issue plant passports before I can start sending plants out in the post, and the application process is pending. However, let's see how I've got on with the propagation project first. My approach was to dig a piece up, cut it up into thousands of pieces using this pizza cutter on a board, and then I scattered those on some soil in this bathtub behind me. Then I just left it. I did put that polythene sheet on top just for protection over the winter, and it sat there between this shed and this garage wall all winter for 6 months, and I've not looked at it, I promise you, until this morning when I thought I'll have a sneaky peek and see what's going on. Do you want to see what's happening in there? Do you want to see whether my 2 plants chopped up into 1,000 small pieces have survived and propagated themselves? Let's have a look. So this is the big reveal. Now, bear in mind, £50 on a tray that size. Are you ready? Look at that. It's amazing. It's virtually covered the whole of the soil surface in this bathtub. And I've not done anything except chop it up with a pizza cutter, scatter it, just roughly rake it in with my fingertips, and then just leave it under this polythene between the garage and the shed all winter for 6 months. Now I can start pulling them up, cutting them into chunks and putting them back in pots and selling them in the mail once I've got my license. If you're interested, if you want some of this, let me know in the comments box below this video and I'll put you on the list. Do bear in mind, as you can see, it's quite an invasive plant, but it's a wonderful plant for shady areas where you want a lovely lush green carpet. That's why I bought it, because I wanted it in my tree fern garden, in between the stepping stones, to sort of spread out and create this lovely carpet. There we go, an update on my Mind Your Own Business propagation money-making experiment. It seems to have worked. I've created a magic money plant. I'll see you soon.